Our first example is conversion from NFA to DFA. So the example will be like this. They may give in this. I have taken two representation. One is a transition diagram. Other one is a transition table. So in exam, either of this, anyone they may ask for exam. They may give transition diagram or transition table. Let us start with that. So we have a problem as taken here. What is the step 1? Here it is. I will be take. What is the step 1? Here it is. So as per our procedure, as we seen in the previous slide, the start state of NFA. This is NFA. The start state of NFA is 1. Is become the start state of DFA. I have taken the 1 here. Okay. Now from this you need to find out the transition. Transition delta 1 of A go to 2 as well as 3. So then 1 and 2 delta 1 on A you will get 2, 3. Then for that you have to construct 2, 3 is one more state. And delta of 1, B, second one, you will go to the 4. Then create one more state. Then 1 on A and 1 on B, define transition for NFA, you will get 2 more state. These states are become single state in DFA. Right? So once you get new state, take it to the from that need to find the transition for NFA. Now delta of 2, 3 on A. So you can split like this: delta of 2, A union delta of 3, A. Delta of 2, A, there is no transition. Then you can write pi. So 2 on A is a pi. Okay, union delta on 3, A is 3, A 4. Then you can take pi union 4, you will get the answer 4. Right? So then construct. So 2, 3 will go to 4. Similarly on B, again you have to split this 2, 3. Delta on 2, B union delta of 3, B. 2, B will go to 4. Okay. Union 3, B will go to 3. That means 4, 3. 4, 3. Right. So 4, 3 as created. Look at this. So 4, 3. So again, so 1 is over, 3, 1 is over. From this 2, 3 has one state, 4 is come. Now we can find the 4. 4 on A, there is no transition at all. So then it can create 5. So 4 on B also there is no transition. Then pi. Then there is one more state is 3, 4. You can split like this: 3 on A union 4 on A. 3 on A will go to 4 and 4 on A will not go to anywhere else. It is a pi. So finally it is answer 4. So then it is will go to the 4. Then 3, 4 on B will get this 3, B union 4, B. So we will get the 3. So we have to create one more state B on B. So from that you got one more new state, that is 3. 3, A will go to 4. Right? And 3, B will go to 3. Right? Look at this. So 4 on E, there is no transition at all. It is become a dead state, right? Now clear it. It clears more doubts. Okay.